I know that z plus 1 over z is equal to cosine theta plus iota sine theta plus 1 over z, 1 over cosine theta plus iota sine theta. You understand that? Z being the complex number in polar form, what is it? Cos theta plus iota sine theta. That's equal to cosine theta plus iota sine theta plus, well, 1 over that should be that to the power minus 1 when I bring it up. So that's the same as cosine minus theta plus iota sine of minus theta. Now you understand where I got that. That's like that over 1. When I would bring it up, it would come to the power of what? Minus 1. And what does the Moivre say I do with the minus? I multiply it by the. So that's equal to cosine theta plus iota sine theta. Cosine of a negative angle, cosine of the angle. Sine of a negative angle minus iota times the sine of the angle. It's 2 cosine theta. Z to the n plus 1 over z to the n will be cosine theta plus iota sine theta to the n plus 1 over cosine theta plus iota sine theta to the power of n. The Moivre's theorem says that's cosine n theta plus iota sine n theta. And he says, bring that up, it will come to what power? Minus n. So that will be cosine what? Minus n theta plus iota sine of minus n theta. Are you tired? I hope it's not I that's boring you. This is the most uplifting stuff. Boring. Cosine of a negative angle, cosine of the angle. Sine of a negative angle minus iota sine of the angle. You got that? So if I got z squared plus 1 over z squared, what could I change that to be? 2 cos 2 theta. If I had z cubed plus 1 over z cubed, what could I change that to be? 2 cos 3 theta. If I got z to the 4 plus 1 over z to the 4, what's that the same as? 2 cos 4 theta. You got that? So if I ever came across z plus 1 over z, what can I change it to? 2 cos 2. Z squared plus 1 over z squared? 2 cos 2. Now from that, what would z to the n minus 1 over z to the n turn out to be? Well, if I was minusing this side, yes, that'd be minus, and that'd turn plus. So what would cancel in that case? The cosine. So what would I be left with? 2 iota sine n theta. If I get z cubed minus 1 over z cubed, that becomes 2 iota sine 3 theta. Z to the 5 minus 1 over z to the 5. What would that become? 2 iota sine 5. So what you need to know first. Sometimes they ask you to do this little proof to show that z to the n plus 1 over z to the n is that. And you know, if I get z cubed plus 1 over z cubed, that's what it becomes. Z cubed minus 1 over z cubed, that's how it becomes. Do you understand that? To begin with. Do you want to ask me any questions? And then the question will say, show that sine cubed theta is equal to 1/4 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. If I'm asked to find sine, I start with 2 iota sine theta is equal to Ez minus 1 over z. Yes? If they ask me to get cos 4 theta equal to, I would start out with twice cos theta is what? Is z plus 1 over z. The only way I can get cosines is to start with this. And the only way I can get sines is to start with this. Now, how am I going to get a sine cubed theta? I have to cube this. Twice iota sine theta to be cubed is equal to z minus 1 over z to be cubed. Questions? Good. Cube this. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Iota cubed sine cubed theta is equal to z minus 1 over z to be cubed is Pascal's triangle. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. Z cubed, z squared, z. Minus 1 over z to be cubed, minus 1 over z to be squared, minus 1 over z. 8 iota cubed is minus 8 iota sine cubed theta. What did I do here? To go from there to there. Iota squared was minus 1. Is z cubed. This would be minus 3 ez plus 3 times 1 over z minus 1 over z to be cubed. Do you understand that line? Which is equal to minus 8 iota sine cubed theta is equal to, I have a z cubed minus 1 over z cubed there, putting them together. Yes? And I can take minus 3 outside of that, and I'll have a z minus 1 over z there. Question. What do I know z cubed minus 1 over z cubed can be written as? 2 iota sine 3 theta. What would z minus 1 over z be? 2 iota sine theta. So that therefore can be changed. That minus 8 iota sine cubed theta is equal to 2 iota sine 3 theta minus 3 times twice sine theta. 2 iota. All the iotas can cancel across. Minus 8 sine cubed theta is equal to twice sine 3 theta minus 3 sine theta. So dividing by minus 8, sine cubed theta is minus 1/4 sine 3 theta plus 3/8 sine theta. Now I can rearrange that any way I want to get that. Yes? So I could take a quarter outside. If I take a quarter outside that, why did I get 3/8 there? 3 2s are 6. 6 over 8. Yes, so take a quarter out, that's 3/4. 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Speak to me. I've done 2 times.